Hello and welcome back. Here are 3 SEO tips from me to you. Number 1. No two websites are the same. An SEO strategy that worked for someone else's website is not guaranteed to work for yours because there are so many variables. Number 2. SEO results are not instant. The results of SEO work done today might not become apparent and might not be credited by search engines for weeks or even months. And finally, number 3. SEO does not have to be expensive. You can get big results on a small budget if you invest in time and in creating good quality content and building online relationships. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.